What's going on, guys? Ryan with Flagship out front of our newest acquisition here in Lagrange. We just literally purchased this one this morning. Gonna walk you around and through, show you. We're here on Tatum Heights Drive in Lagrange, Georgia. Just bought this beauty this morning. Pretty solid house, actually. Looks really good. We're gonna paint the outside. Probably paint that front door, put on a new roof. Budget allows, we'll throw in a garage door here. There's not a garage door yet. But pretty solid on the outside. Just needs some pressure washing and painting. It's got about 1.5 acres, so it's a good solid lot. It's got this big shed in the back that's really not in great shape. We're gonna kind of paint it and spruce it up a little bit, but won't do a whole lot with that. Yeah, so pretty solid on the outside. The roof has a little bit of age, but I think it's fine as it stands now. So yeah, let's take a look inside. In the front door here at 189 Tatum Heights. The interior is really not too bad. A couple of key things we're gonna have to work on. Got a spot there. Looks like an old leak. We'll patch that up and paint it. One big decision we have to make in here is whether or not to keep or not keep, but to paint this wood panel like a white color or to leave it as is. I actually think it looks pretty decent. I'm leaning towards leaving it right now, but not 100% sure yet, because I don't know, just trying to think through that. One of our big issues here is the flooring system in the kitchen. There's a pretty significant dip. There were some termite issues underneath the house at one point. That's been taken care of, but we've got to go back and fix the rotted wood underneath the house and level everything out. Probably paint these cabinets, new appliances, put in granite here, put a backsplash in, just spruce the kitchen up, new cabinet handles, so make everything look nice. And then hallway, we'll replace all this carpet, pull out all the carpet and put in LEP. And then just paint all the doors, new handles, paint all the trim. We won't leave this trim brown. Got a master bath here, master bedroom. So house is really in pretty solid shape. Just has a little bit of age and neglect on it that we'll fix. We will paint that vanity, new countertop, new sink fixture, new light fixture, new fan in here. And then kind of same thing everywhere else. New fan, new floors. All these windows need to be trimmed out on the inside. They weren't trimmed out. So same thing, we'll add some cabinet hardware probably. New top, new mirror, new light. Move on. So yeah, house is in good shape. Needs a little bit of love, and we'll be flipping this one, so stay tuned.